Yeah.
Azozaphinda beko ofana nawe, azozaphinda beko onjengawe, azozaphinda beko ngobuliqhawe. Nana cela uhlale nami, azozaphinda beko ofana nawe, azozaphinda azozaphinda beko ngobuliqhawe. Nana cela uhlale nami.
I stopped believing love. Everything was bad. My broken hearts made it hard for me to even care. But the love we share, baby Ludenza scared you bangenza underneath my healing scars, they would bleed again. The way we met was a bigger plan. I'm writing straight from it, so that's how it be if I'm the bigger man. The man is blended as a boogeyman of every broken love story like Itala, no one even cares. The way I get when I stare at you, Indians I made it you. It's hard to love, he meant it really attitude. I bumped the song, unforgettable. But friends Montana, so how can you tell that I'm deep in love with you?
Ngobuliqhawe. Nana cela uhlale nami, azozaphinda beko ofana nawe, azozaphinda beko onjengawe, azozaphinda beko ngobuliqhawe. Nana cela uhlale nami. Ay, true beauty, she's so fine, and booty, she's all mine. Like a super, she's so shy, her booty is so tight. Type yenza umfaza yo group, she's so shy. Asondele ndimlungisa dress and lungisa bow tie. Truth is I'm so in love with the cutie, you know why? Cause you're looking so fly, I'm hooked in those dope thighs. I still can't believe that you still with me all the time. Even Abandu Bacho, we've been doing this for a while. Now we're walking down the aisle while we're locked in each other's eyes. Sitting down with the pastor and talking about the vows, proving we turn the red to that truly it won't die. Maskuli so separate to have few kids cause you my bride. Nakumfundisa, I won't lie, if I do this I'm alright. Cause all I want, boo, is for you to become my wife. I'ma put that ring on your finger without a doubt. And I ain't looking back, nigga, this chick is my ride or die. One.